A native of Ukraine recruited into the Russian army allegedly fatally destroyed 6 Russian servicemen and escaped. His motivation was the Russian strike on Kharkiv, which led to his elderly mother having a stroke. Now they are trying to find him in the DPR, but apparently he fled to the territory of Ukraine. According to sources in the Russian media, a certain Yuri Galushko, 60 years old, destroyed 6 servicemen and finished them off with control shots, after which he managed to escape with a weapon. The DPR announced a hunt for him, but they were not able to catch him. He was called up from the penal colony by occupational formations on February 28, 2024, and carried out this act on 4th May. Well, recruiting convict has its upside downs, right? Defense Intelligence of Ukraine updated their information about the attack on Crimea. Group 13 unit of the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense's Defense Intelligence destroyed a Russian Mangust boat in Crimea with the help of a Magura V5 maritime attack drone. This class of boats is used by the enemy navy and special services as multi-purpose high-speed vessels for patrolling the water area, combating saboteurs, as well as search and rescue operations. The modified versions of the speedboats are equipped with remote weapon stations with the main organic weapon, a machine gun of 14.5mm caliber. On the Mangust board, Russians also have 2 AGS-17 automatic grenade launchers, a DP-64 handheld anti-saboteur grenade launcher, and 2 manpads of the Igla or Verba type. The estimated value of the destroyed Mangust is about $3 million. And a Russian Ka-29 machine gun destroys a Ukrainian kamikaze surface drone that took part in the morning attack on Vuska Bay. According to reports, the Ukrainian drone was equipped with R-60, R-73 air-to-air missiles, and even managed to launch one at the Mi-8 helicopter, unfortunately unsuccessfully. Today, the best of the best crew died. The Russians are saddened by the loss of the Su-34 fighter plane and its crew. Normally, they drop glide bombs from there. Let's wait and hope for an official confirmation. There are fewer and fewer IFVs in the Russian army. This is why they use golf carts. On my own behalf, I would also like to note the trend that I wrote about before the war, that some motorized rifle units suffered serious losses in armored vehicles, and the level of their recovery is inferior to the level of losses. Therefore, some motorized rifle battalions become motorized, on trucks, and even some riflemen move on foot along with all their property. On the one hand, we need transport. While they are looking for transport, they need serious physical exercise. And even after finding at least horse-drawn carts, the vehicles will still be needed. In Smolensk, the brick factory caught fire. The area of the fire is 1,500 square meters. The local residents saw 2 explosions before the fire.
Ну, шифер, что ли, стреляет, слышно. Треск постоянно. А я думал, мне показалось, что два или 3 взрыва было. Только там нечему гореть, там только печи и все.
The explosion was so powerful that it turned upside down. T-90M, BTR-82AT are getting ready for a parade in Rostov. For the end, Indonesian live fire training. Instead of shooting above the recruits like the US-owned live fire training, Indonesian recruits are shot at the ground around them.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.